Choose to rent, advancing events through technology.
Align the mounting plate with the metal stand bracket. Screw in the 4 provided screws carefully. The screws should be tightened until they feel secure. Align the iPad inside the enclosure's front face, and place the brackets inside to secure the surface go into place. Connect the charging cable to the iPad and place it onto the mounting plate. Press the lock in to secure the enclosure. Remove the iPad from the Rokku stand by unlocking the faceplate with the provided lock key. Wrap the cable lock around a solid object and pass the lock through the loop. Insert the lock into the small slot on the back of the iPad stand and lock it with the provided key. Your Rokku iPad desk stand is now secure and ready to be used.